Introducing the QRI-0923 INOX non-integral two-way rough-in valve. The valve offers two outlets with individual volume controls. This slim line features 3/4-inch NPT connections, which are standard threaded connections used in plumbing for a secure and leak-free fit. Focus on the min and max lines on the mudguard. These lines indicate the correct depth for installation, ensuring the valve will fit perfectly behind the finished wall. To ensure a precise installation, measure the distance from the mounting wall to the min and max lines. This will help you estimate the finished wall's position and ensure the valve does not extend beyond the maximum depth. Begin by constructing a solid backing to provide additional stability for the valve. Secure the valve to the backing using the provided screws, ensuring it is firmly fastened for long-lasting support and proper alignment. Clean and connect the cold and hot water supply lines to the right and left inlets. Now, integrate the shutoff valves in accessible positions for easy maintenance, such as behind an access panel, underneath the sink, adjacent to the shower control box, or in a nearby service closet. You can also consider placing them in a ceiling or floor access hatch if necessary. Connect the two outlet pipes from the individual volume controls. Outlet 1 can be used for the primary shower head, while outlet 2 can be used for an additional feature such as a handheld shower or bathtub spout. These outlets can be controlled independently for a customizable shower experience. Perform a pressure test. This will ensure the system is working correctly without any leaks and verify that the water pressure matches the required PSI. Now prepare for the drywall and finished wall installation. Ensure the hole in the wall aligns perfectly with the valve and mudguards, so the final trim fits snugly and without any large voids. Leave the mudguards in place until the trim installation to protect the valve and maintain alignment. Ensure the finished wall stays within the min and max limits. If the wall exceeds the max line, an extension kit will be needed to compensate for the additional depth, which is sold separately. Now, carefully remove the mudguards to prepare for the final trim installation. Finally, install the trim rings and gaskets. Next, thread the sleeves for the volume controls and slide the valve sleeve into place. Secure the spline adapters with the provided screws. Finally, position the main trim, loosen the screw with an Allen key for adjustment, and retighten it to lock trims in place. The anti-scald feature comes preset for horizontal installation. Make sure the trim lever aligns with the red mark on the anti-scald. For vertical installation, use a screwdriver to clip out the anti-scald, rotate it 90 degrees, and reinsert it. Now, install the trim accordingly. Finally, turn on the water supply and test the system to ensure everything functions correctly.